Well, by now you guys have seen the title, and I did it again. This was kind of a happy accident like anything else on this channel, but this is my new to me 2000 Saab 9.5, but what makes it really special is the fact that it is an Aero package. Now, not many of these were built, and even less remain today just because everyone drove them really hard, drove them into the ground, and they kind of just disappeared. But they're really, really special cars, and this one actually has the Factory BBS wheel option, which in themselves are extremely rare. So I'm going to walk you around the car today, kind of show you what our plans are for it. Now, as you can tell, it's really clean, and my goal is just to bring it back to almost factory new, and I don't think that's going to be too hard because, again, the car only has 70,000 miles. It's been with my family since new, and it's kind of been passed on, and I figured, you know what, it's been neglected and kind of left outside for a little while, so why not bring it back under these lights and in this garage? So it's going to be a fun little project. As you can tell, though, it is extremely filthy. There's really just dirt everywhere. It's been sitting under a cover outside. The roof, really filthy. You can kind of tell on the sunroof here, and it's going to be a fun little project. But I want to just make sure you guys kind of had a quick walk around of what we're starting with, and it is a really clean example all considering. But we're going to just do some touch-ups. So the front lip here is a little chewed up. The wheels are in pretty good shape, but like I said, the glass looks pretty good too, just a little dirty. Interior, I'll show you guys in a second, looks really good, but the wheels are going to need to refinish. If you look at this specific wheel, it looks like the clear coat or something's kind of coming up, so we're going to have to pull these off, and they are worth refinishing because they are so rare. They're, again, legitimate BBS wheels, but as we look up and down the body here, there's no dents, no scratches. Everything's really, really straight. Even the back, there's no marks, anything on the bumper, which are pretty common when you see these on the pre-owned market. So this is arguably one of the lowest, cleanest mileage examples that I've come across. So we're really fortunate in that regards. Again, we're starting with a really clean slate to start. But as we walk around too, you'll notice the hood has really no imperfections. The lights being glass, the headlights themselves were actually glass. They're in really clean shape. The corner marking lights are starting to fade a little bit because they were plastic. But as we move into the interior here, you're going to notice that it is really clean. Just a few little items that we'll have to take care of, but what makes it super unique is the 5-speed transmission. And Saab, being known to be born from jets, has this cool key kind of start up in the middle there, and the layout is very cockpit fighter-esque in terms of feels. But we're gonna have to replace some of these door sills. You're starting to see them chipping up. If I can find the parts, if I can get some factory OEM mats, that would be awesome, and do something about the carpet that's starting to pull up. But if you look in the back seat too, again, really clean as well. This is like an old factory cover that he still had. You'll notice some parts on the ground here. I think that's actually the antenna that is off the car right now. So being under the cover, he didn't want it to rip or anything, so he took that off. So we'll have to put some things back together. But again, going to be a pretty fun project all considering. I'll pop the hood here for you guys as well, just so you can see what we're working with. But Saab back in 2000 had released this 2.3 liter turbocharged inline 4, and what was really cool is it actually made 230 horsepower from the factory. So with a tune and just a few little upgrades, this car can make, I think, upwards of 350 horsepower with not a lot of work. So things are good in that regards. So really excited to see what we can do here. And as you can tell, there's really no issues in this engine bay. We're going to do some basic maintenance, clean it up a little bit, but I don't see this car going anywhere. So want to make sure I shared it with you guys. Come along for the ride. I'll try to be posting a few more videos of this process as we go through it, but hopefully you all enjoy.